Today we're unboxing the 13-inch MacBook Air with Apple's M2 chip, and I'll be sharing my first impressions and thoughts about it. This laptop has been hyped for its powerful performance and sleek design, so let's get inside the box and see if it lives up to the buzz. Apple first introduced the MacBook Air line in 2008, revolutionizing ultra-portable laptops. Fast forward to today, and the latest iteration is powered by the M3 chip, Apple's next generation silicon, promising even better performance, battery life, and efficiency. Let's find out how this Air stacks up in real world use. Alright, so it's time to open the box. As usual with Apple, we've got a clean, minimalistic presentation. The laptop is right on top, wrapped with a protective film. Underneath, there's some paperwork, including a warranty information and the iconic Apple stickers. Next, we have the MagSafe 3 charging cable. One end is USB-C and the other is Apple's magnetic connector. Depending on the configuration, you might also get the 30-watt or the 35-watt power adapter. It's pretty standard unboxing, the laptop, documentation, charging cable, and the adapter. Now, let's take a closer look at the design. So the MacBook Air sports a thinner, flatter profile compared to previous models, and it comes in colors like midnight, starlight, space gray, and silver. The build is all aluminum, giving it the classic Apple premium feel. On the left side, you'll find two Thunderbolt or USB 4 ports and the MagSafe charging port. On the right hand side, just the 3.5mm headphone jack. This 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display has slimmer bezels, making for a more modern look. Overall, the design feels incredibly sleek and it's super light. It's the perfect traveling laptop. Now let's talk what's under the hood. Now, the M2 MacBook Air comes with the M2 chip with either 8-core CPU and up to 10-core GPU options. This laptop has 8 cores. You have the option for 8 gigs to 24 gigs of unified memory, depending on your configuration. This laptop has 16 gigabytes of ununified memory. Another thing to mention is the 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display with True Tone and up to 500 nits of brightness. It has a 10p FaceTime HD camera, which is an upgrade over the previous 720p. It also comes with MagSafe 3 for dedicated charging, freeing up the Thunderbolt ports for accessories. Lastly, it has up to 18 hours of battery life under typical usage. Though actual results may vary, it's hard to say. But Apple also introduced a 4-speaker sound system, like with the spectral audio support, so media playback should be, I want to say, richer in a sense. Now, I spent just a little time setting it up, and the M2 chip is impressively fast right off the gate. Apps launch quickly and multitasking feels buttery smooth. The keyboard is still the Magic Keyboard, which is comfortable for typing on for extended sessions. The trackpad remains one of the best in the business, with precision tracking and intuitive gestures, which is amazing. The screen is bright and vibrant, making it great for content consumption or creative work, though I wish it was still a little brighter, to be honest. Now, the 1080p webcam is notably sharp depending on, I want to say, your lighting scenario, when on FaceTime or during Zoom calls, and the improved microphone array seems clear for video calls. So far, it's living up to Apple's premium claim, and I'm excited to push it further with video editing and other heavy tasks. So what's the takeaway after this quick unboxing and initial test? The MacBook Air M2 carries forward Apple's tradition for sleek design, strong performance, and top-notch user experience. It feels like the ideal everyday laptop for most people, like students, business people, and creatives alike. We'll have to see how it holds up in more demanding scenarios, but my first impressions are definitely positive. But that's it for the unboxing and first look at the 13-inch MacBook Air with the M2 chip. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech reviews and tips. Let me know in the comments what tests you would like to see, whether it's video editing performance, battery life, benchmarks, or comparison with the M1 model. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.